Alright, checking out the paint here in the sun. All the carbon looks amazing. And that red pops. Looks so much better out here than in the bay. It had a fresh polish on it, so the paint's looking really good. All this carbon pops. Oh, now I'm in the light. There you go, look at that. Looks really, really good. Alright, we're going on a quick test drive here. Now all the tires are at 27 PSI, a little under, so you're gonna see that light. It's been 30 degrees or so for the past week, so they're a little low. We'll get those brought back up to get that light off. First thing to notice is the steering wheel does shake, and the car wants to pull a little bit to the left. So you're gonna see the vibrations here on the wheel. You also see the screen flickering here. That's just in camera. That is not here in person live. That's just the camera being kind of weird. But the wheel is shaking. You can see that. Just kind of shimmying, and then it wants to pull to the left. So it needs an alignment, needs to get that checked out. You can feel that vibration pretty heavy in the wheel. Car shifts nice and smooth. Smells great in here, looks good, has a beautiful matte finish to it. Love the Alcantara wheel. I hit the brakes kind of hard here. Brakes are solid. Amazing turning radius. Alright, we're going to do a visual condition report, so we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Here on this wheel, you have curb rash right there. That side looks good. Calipers look nice. Looking at the tires, Pilot Super Sports. Date code 2018. Looking at the fender, you have 1/3 PPF, 1/3 on the hood, and then the front bumper. Got a rock chip there. A little stain here in the paint. The rest that looks good. Got carbon here. Looks nice. You have carbon down the lower rocker. Carbon on the side mirrors. All of that's very clean. A-pillar looks good. All glass roof. Door looks amazing. You got film right here protecting that little section. Quarter panel's clean. You have rash on this wheel. Down there. And more around here. Date code on the tires 2017. Face of the wheel looks good. Barrels are clean. Got the dark window tint here. No PPF on the headlights. Clarity looks amazing though. Got that front bumper. Looks really nice. Like I said, 1/3 PPF, so a line right here down. A couple rock impacts. A few small ones, but otherwise looks nice. You have some flaws in the film, that's what that is. Looking at the carbon here, you also have some PPF on it. Front end looks really good. All that film there protecting it. It's done a great job. You do have some dimples in the paint. Looks like right here. And then a couple flaws on the film. Overall really clean. I imagine this front bumper was repainted. Looking at the splitter. A little bit of rash down there, very subtle. A little bit here. Making our way down that fender. Looks awesome. That carbon's super clean. Here on this wheel, you have a little bit of flaws there. I don't see any other rash though. I see a spot right here on the wheel. Something on the surface. Might be like a sticker or something. Lower carbon looks good. That looks amazing. Very clean. A couple chips there. A couple tiny chips here. Quarter panel looks good. I don't see any rash on that wheel. That's in great condition. Taillights look amazing. This paint is beautiful. It really pops. just see the depth. I don't see a bunch of swirls or anything like that. It looks nice. Look at that lower diffuser, all carbon. Beautiful. And we have damage right here. Looks like that was hit. So you have some wrinkles in there, chips, gashes, and then some creases and more damage there. Looks like it protected it from everything else though. Get down low. Looks good. Oh, and then right here, a little scuff. All right, checking out the interior. It's a non-smoker, still has that new car smell. That panel looks perfect. Love this brush trim, looks really nice. That bolster, I don't see any flaws there. Same here. Seat back looks good. Bottom's clean, I don't see a bunch of wrinkles or anything like that. Here on the steering wheel, it is Alcantara. Of course, you're gonna have some spots that are matted down just a little bit. Otherwise, it looks good. Vents look nice, lower side's clean. Upper side looks good. Look at all this dry carbon. Absolutely beautiful. I'm not seeing any flaws here that stand out. Then a beautiful view up here. All right, looking at that panel looks really good. Carbon looks amazing. That trim is clean. Bolster, that looks brand new. I don't see any flaws on the seat bottom. Even that edge looks good. I mean, that seat looks brand new. That side of the console's clean. Floor mats look good. Upper side of the dash, glove box, all of this looks really nice. And looking here in the trunk, all the carpet's nice and clean. Got the dry carbon brace, that looks good. Dark tint here, looks nice. Now one thing I did notice, right here on the edge, you do have a chip. All right, checking out the engine bay. Look at all this, nice and clean. Plastics look amazing. The engine bay is very, very nice. Here on the underhood liner, looks good as well.